Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you are enjoying the daily content on this channel and you'd like to support this channel, then there's a link for Patreon right down in the description. Get your hands on some stickers and other cool stuff. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. This was sent in by a gentleman named Tyler. I'm sure that's not the right. Should we come at it from here? I think that's what we're going to do. Gentleman named Tyler, so thank you very much, Tyler. I'm sure that we will learn more as soon as we are all the way into the package. Alright, try not to reveal personal information. There's some bubbles. There's some... Okay, I'm going to look at that here in just a sec. And then there's a package. Okay, let's take a look here. Oh, wait. Does he have his... Okay, hang on. Does he have his Instagram? Everyday EDC. Oh, this is Everyday EDC. Okay, so here's all his information. Everyday EDC, and yes, he's aware. I'm sure people are going to be like, that's redundant. Oh, EEDC. He knows. It's on purpose. I was watching one of his videos and I saw somebody comment that underneath, and it's like he probably has to say that all the time. Yeah, he knows. He's doing that ironically. His Instagram here, everyday_EDC_77, and then his Twitter at EDC every day, which is another funny way to put that. And there's a note in here. I will get at this here in just a second. This is cool. Thank you for this very much. I appreciate that. I'll keep that permanently up here with some of my other stuff. Civivi. Oh wait, I know what this is. I think that I don't know if the sticker's accurate, but now it's like I'm remembering now. Yes, the Civivi Ortis. Oh boy, very cool. Now, let me tell you guys something. Hang on. Some of you guys have already seen this. You were part of my live stream. I got so excited about this when I first saw it, and I learned, the scales are FRN, which is totally fine in this price range, by the way. This is really inexpensive. I want to say this is 40 bucks, and you bet I will link it right down below. I've actually had one for a little bit. I went ahead and immediately ordered one in carbon fiber and Damascus, which is also available right now. I want to say this guy's probably 80. After looking at this, watching a couple of videos, right, and I wanted to get one, and he said, I'll send you one. I just couldn't wait, and I wanted to get, and I thought, by the time his comes in, I can compare the standard version with the Damascus version. I think this is, and I've had this for a little bit now, guys. I think this is one of the best budget knives I've ever handled. Expect to see places bumped around on my previous top 10 lists, and I think it's also one of the coolest knives of 2020. Here's something that I really appreciate about it. You can actually reverse flick it. It's a 7.5-inch knife with a wonderful forward choil, and that faux bolster and these lines here, right? It is FRN, but they didn't do the thing with the bug out, like they did with the bug out, where it's just the whole frame is hollowed out FRN. No, they put steel liners underneath, so you don't get that hollow, cheapy feeling, right? Honestly, the carbon fiber one feels about the same, right? So you can get, and these come in different colors too, right? Your orange and blue and whatever. I like the all black. I think this looks great. Seriously, for 40 bucks, it really doesn't bother me that much that it's FRN. FRN bothers me when I see it on a freaking $100+ like, again, the bug out. God, that drives me crazy. Some of those versions of the bug out are like 140 bucks, and they got this cheapy FRN. Blah. Give me the G10 one. But anyways, for for a $40 knife, no, it doesn't bug me. The construction on this thing is awesome. Everything very cool. Standard steel 9CR 18 MOV, and then you have your stainless Damascus, which is probably similar in performance to 440C, and that's fine because I didn't buy this knife for the performance. I bought it because it looks cool, right? I will link both of these guys right down below. I will also link Civivi knives so you can check out what else they have available. Thank you very much at everyday EDC for sending yours in. That'll make a wonderful review and, of course, comparison. And again, check him out on these various social media platforms. And also, follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.